All right, we do have a total weather alert tomorrow. Today actually looks like a good day with some sunshine, temperatures in the 40s. But you'll see tonight, we'll see those clouds increasing. Overnight, a chance for rain. It's going to be warm tonight. 42 degrees at midnight. Yeah, not quite the sub-zero temperatures we were dealing with. So rain chances tomorrow morning, not overly wet until about mid to late morning. Lunchtime tomorrow, the rain started to pick up in intensity. This is all part of a warm front, and it's going to surge to the mid-50s, so snow melt in high gear. Then a cold front sweeps in. You got warm air smashing against cold air, and that's not fun. You think about the draft that happens when you open the door at your house and all the cold air rushes in. That's what's happening on a large scale tomorrow. And behind it, we'll see some switch over from rain to mix to snow up in the mountains, high elevations especially, but that will be much later on. But it's mid-afternoon where the bulk of the heavy rain and wind is, and it will be windy into the night. So we have a wind advisory from 8 a.m. tomorrow until 7 p.m. tomorrow for that wind, a high wind warning down east where the most amount of power outages could occur. Here's our wind gust forecast. 40 to 50 mile an hour winds in Portland, Sanford, Bath, Wiscasset, even Augusta and Lewis and up to Farmington. 30 to 40 mile an hour winds in the mountains in New Hampshire. And you got 55 to 65 down east. And I have Penobscot Bay and even Rockland included in on that. Beyond the windstorm, we have colder air and it will still be windy. So we're got a high of 35 Saturday, but it will feel like it's in the low 20s. Sunday, it'll be cloudy for the winter solstice at 10:03 a.m., 41 degrees. It's cold Monday. Hey, for that white Christmas, maybe we can get a little bit of snow out of Tuesday. Cold on Christmas Eve for Santa Claus, and then Thursday looks good, but you could see a couple of inches of snow possibly by late Christmas night.
Making it look pretty.
Coming through at the end, right?
Yeah, let's go. All right.